Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will explain some of the techniques of trend trading and how to be always successful in trend trading and have that accuracy of 100%. It's very easy. You can trend trade using by drawing trend lines or by using my tool. So for the ease of access and for my accuracy is very high using this particular tool, so I will enable two things. One is the trend one, that's my secret algorithm, and another one is institutional instrument. That's also one of my secret weapon of finding a particular trend. So this institutional instrument will help you find where there is a large buyings. So when I say large buying, I'm indicating to this, you know, whenever you find large buyings, you can see price will start rallying after that. So I have used 1 hour time frame and BTC USDT perpetual futures. So you can see another institution large buyings or whale activity that is being detected here, and also you can see one more whale activity that is detected here. So it will help me to take my position and to be double sure of whether I should go for a long or a short position. Okay, so with that, let's start the basics of trend trading and how to be always successful, especially using this particular tool. First and foremost thing is, first we should make sure whether the market is in uptrend or downtrend. When I say market is in downtrend, we have to see this type of pattern: lower highs and lower lows. You can see here lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So whenever I take my entries, I always look for a buy signal from my bot, and also if I find some institutions buying, then I can be very much sure that the particular stock is gonna rally. For example, here, whenever and also I also take care of the main trend. Okay, so the this particular line which you see here is called as main trend. And suppose I've opened the chart, and now if I am in this particular region, I will wait for this particular buy signal. So I will wait for a buy signal which is near to this particular trend, and also I detected some large buyings from the whales. So this is a perfect entry. So what I can do is, with this confidence, I can go for a long position. From here on, if I had gone for long position, look how the BTC rallied from here. You can see a jump of around 20%. So with 20x leverage and 20% jump, you would have made 400% profit. That is 5x money within, from 22nd May to 2nd of June. Within 10 to 20, within 10 days, you would have made more amount of money than whatever you had made in the past 1 year. So that's how it is very useful with this particular tool. That's why I love this tool. So one more thing is, I also look for the RSI divergence. So I can find some regular divergence which is a bullish signal, so it will also help me to go for a long position. So I've told you about how to take long position. So if you want, since we are trend trading, we should draw trend lines. Okay, so once I draw the trend lines, I see this particular thing is in downtrend. Now I detected the institution buying, and also I got a buy signal. So this will help me for a confident long entry. So price rallied and it found a resistance, and again it came back, it retested this particular support, and then it broke out. So once it broke out, what I should do is, I put a straight trend line like this. I don't know what's happening here, but I'm just putting a trend line. Now the situation is like this. So whenever this gives a buy signal, I blindly buy it because it is near the trend line. Okay, now I got a sell signal, I sell it. Now the trend line is broken, I wait. So I got a buy signal here. Again, I will draw trend line from here to here. I will ex I will extend this particular trend line now. I don't know what has happened in the future, but let me see. Now always examine this area how I take trades. So when I got a buy triangle here, I may find this particular trend line as a resistance, and see this particular trend line, it became resistance, and again I got a buy signal. So again I buy. So again I sell here in this particular area. Even this trend line also got broken. Now what? Again I got a buy signal. The moment I get buy signal, I draw one more line to this particular buy signal. Now I will extend this particular line. I don't know this particular rise. Okay, here we are here. Okay, I don't know what's going to happen, but again, since I got a buy signal, and this particular algorithm bot has about 90% accuracy, so I can be sure that price going to rise. Okay, so observe this particular area now. I don't know what's going to happen. See, the price rise. So even if you are playing safe with 10x leverage or a 5x leverage, you can easily double your money in every 10 days. Okay, so I don't put all my money into this one lot. I will only invest 10%, 20% of my overall portfolio, and I go with the 10x leverage or 20x leverage depending upon the market. Okay, so I usually go with the 20x leverage most of the time. So here you would have made insane money. Okay, now this bot tells me there is a regular divergence. Okay, so the regular divergence, as I told, it is a bullish signal. Plus this BTC is trading above the mother trend, so this is another confidence for me. Now I enter here, I got a buy signal again. So what I do, again I draw a trend line. Starting from, you can draw trend line. Okay, from anywhere you want, but since this is the origin point, I draw trend line from here. You can draw trend line from here and find with dynamic support, but it's up to you. Now what I can find, I can draw trend line from here, or I can draw trend line from here, connecting uh, these particular supports. So I've drawn two trend lines from here to here and from here to here. Okay, so I got a buy signal. I got two buy signal. So what I should do is just long it with this confidence. Okay, so I just longed it. You can see again market rose. Again it found a resistance here, and it came down. Now you can see market is coming down like this. So market is making lower high and lower low. So that means we are seeing a bearish trend. So as I said, we saw a bearish trend, and again price went down. So but are we in a long term? Are we in a bearish trend? No, because market is trading above this particular line. So come to this scenario, again see there is a huge sell off. Market came and it found a support under this particular line. This is a very strong line, and it is very difficult to break this line. So I see this institution detected, means there's some heavy buyings. Okay, so the moment I see, what I will do is I'll start going for long position, and I wait for a buy signal. But I got a buy, huge buys detected, and after that there is a buy signal. So this will give me double confidence that price gonna rise. It's not gonna go down, it's gonna rise, because people have bought it here. Okay, it's big whales have bought it here. So what happened after that? Price rose. Okay, you can see here price again rose. Now what? Again price came and found a support, but again what happened? Price again rose. So there is no chance that you will lose money if you trade with this particular tool, or if you trade with the trend. Okay, don't go against the waves, go with the waves. That's what they call. Okay, so again what I have done with this tool is that I've added dynamic pivot ranges. It will give you s1, s2, s3, support 1, support 2, support 3, and resistance 1, resistance 2, and resistance 3. See, this is a recent sell off. We got a sell signal already here. We got a sell signal already here, and I sold somewhere around here. Okay, and then we found some kind of support at S2, but I don't think so that S2 will be that support. But again, it has to come down till mother trend. This is the main trend. The price should reach 9209 and then it will start bouncing again. So if you are going in a bear trend, then price should start going down like this. Okay, so as of now, I can say that BTC is in the bull trend. Okay, there is no bear trend as of now. Okay, so this how we can do uh, trading with confidence and with high accuracy and with the trend. Okay, so by drawing trend lines or by using the tool, we can easily make sure that we are always in the right side of the trade, and we always make money, and we don't go against the waves. We don't go against the trend. So I can show a number of example. Again, if you go back, I found some kind of institution detected here. The moment you see these guys, the moment you see this, and the moment you see buy signal, then this is a bullish trade, man. No, you cannot. There is no chance that it's going to come down. So if you had taken this trade, the BTC made a rally of 15.35%. So 15.35%, even with 20x leverage, you would have made 300%. With 50x leverage, you would have made 450%. That's 5.5 times your money invested. So this is not only applicable for BTC USDT. You can apply this in any kind of a market. For example, I take Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I'm 100% accurate in this. So you can see that how nicely this is giving signals. It doesn't throw you many signals, but once it throws you, it's bang on. The accuracy is at another level. You can see institution buy detected here, and it gave me buy signal. Price rose. Bank Nifty gave 20%. Here also recent Bank Nifty sell off. Would have put a trend line here. The moment you have put the trend line, the moment you see institution buy detected and it is close to this main trend, so you should just long blindly, man. You should never even look at other stuff. So there's a 12% rally. So with leverage and margin trading, you would have made so much of money. So see how nicely it retested, and again it went, it went up, and it found a support near this dynamic range, and again it coming back and finding a support at S1. So again we got a sell off here, sell signal here only. So the accuracy with this tool is going to be huge. You get regular divergence, and you get a buy sell signal. Even if you put, you know trend lines, this will take your trading to another level, and I'm sure that nobody in the market can beat you. You will always be ahead in the market. So for example, I take XAU USD, that's gold spot. See how nicely it is giving us buy sell. Always successful, always 1%, 0.38%. If you're using futures and margin, you can make hell lot of money with this. See, and you also get dynamic support ranges here, so you can utilize this. This tool will take your trading to another level. See, institution detected here in XAU USD. See the price rally. See this price rally. Would you believe this? 3.52% after this. 3.52%. If you're trading and you have this kind of tool, there's no chance that you lose money. Absolutely no chance. See, institution detected along with the trend line here. Institution detected here. Look at this, man. You'll always be in the profit. You'll always be in the profit. 0.2%. Even if it gives like this kind of signal, if you just dot trend lines, so it will take your trading to another level. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel and please share the channel. and join my Telegram channel AI Profit Trend.